Hey everybody, just wanted to show you a cool DIY bow tuner here, well, paper tuner stand. Let's see, you got two 10-foot 3/4 inch PVC pipes, and then you got six 3/4 by 3/4 T's, and then six 3/4 by 3/4 elbows. All of that comes to about 30 bucks. Let's see here, this little piece of paper, kraft paper, was 18 inches by 100 foot. 15 bucks on Amazon. And then two of these little regular clamps here they got from Harbor Freight. Just drilled them, put them in there, and filed off the back. All you need for this is hacksaw of some sort, and then a file to square your edges and round them a little better. But I was following some advice of the guys online. They said use a 1/2 inch here, so I went 3/4, reduced it to 1/2 inch right here, just because they said it would fit most of these papers. This paper just happens to fit 3/4. So if you want to do that, I would have just done 3/4 all the way around. So about 50 bucks, get yourself a paper tune stand, good to go.